Howdy, welcome to Beaver Mountain Works. On this episode we're going to be talking about another product that we do, that we can do for you if you have a particular item that is old or very beat up and you'd like to restore it to some way or another. We had a gentleman who brought an Enfield bayonet from 1905 and basically had the frog that was all deteriorated. It's all broke up. It's the original, but the actual bayonet case just had the upper portion here, the metal piece here, and he had the tap at the end there, and broken up leather here. Everything was all falling apart and deteriorated to nothing. We wanted to have something to be able to put it in and display it, and since we can't restore that, he's getting this piece back, so he has the original to go with it, but we've remanufactured the actual bayonet frog and the actual scabbard. So if you've got ideas of products that you have as heirlooms or collectibles or things you had that you just want to be able to display or even reuse again in reenacting, just give us a shout. You dream it, we make it. BeaverMountainWorks.com. Take care now.